Welcome to my channel. Right now you are in the right place. Hey, this is Juliet. Welcome to my channel. On this channel I normally share with you my resin art, accessory, home decor, jewelry, and some other life tidbits like my travel vlogs. For those who've been here for a while, means you've subscribed. Thank you. For those who are coming here for the first time, please subscribe and press the notification bell if you find this valuable. And the reason is, you will notice, for those who've been here, I love discovering new molds. The other day when I shared with you my video on how to make holographic keychains, the dog paw one has been the one that goes all the time at the markets. People really love their pets, so check the card above for that. And that's the reason why I even created these Christmas pets ornaments, because people have been ordering them. And I thought, you know what, let me diversify so that it's not just the paw, you know, like the other one that looks like this. Let me diversify that and get a different collection. And so I discovered this selection, and it comes with this lovely selection of some decorations. If, for example, someone wants letters, there are letters, and these are the sprinkles. And I'll be showing you how to use it. This is one of the quickest and easiest videos I've done. You see, most of my videos are a little longer because they are tutorials and they have several steps. This one has the simplest form. It is the easiest keychain for beginners, the easiest resin keychain for beginners, without even too much mixing. For the products we're going to use these molds and these decorations. And for the coloring, we'll use Picasso alcohol inks in lemon, lime, ruby, rose, hip. We have hot pink, orchid, turquoise, and manganese blue. And then we'll mix our resin. Everything I'm going to use in this video is linked in the description box below. For now, I think before I mix the resin, I just want to just put a selection of these. I don't want it to be overpowering, like it's not going to be about these pieces. It's going to be about the pets. So, but I see people love them for their bags. People love them personalized because they love their pets. And these are so little that I don't want to put them like mixed in resin. So we're just going to do it like this, just a bit in each. This time I'm doing it like this, even with the glitters and all. Next time I may not. I may just make solid colors. To see more of that, please follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet Megwe Inspires, so that you see the different variations. And now I'm going to wear my gloves and my mask, mix the resin, and then we continue. Don't forget, I keep telling you on my videos, the easiest way to clean molds is before demolding. So you use tape like this, cut a small piece. You don't have to, but I wrap it around like that so that it's double-sided, and then I just clean around like this, and whatever is stuck, I use my nail to make it loose, and tape doesn't stick, and then that's it. Then when I demold, I don't have to clean them again. We've cleaned it up. Let's demold this. I love the colors already. Put them on the white because the blue doesn't show the color nicely. Oh, wow. Then we'll turn them around. Oh, I love them, I love them, I love them. I'm wondering whether to sell this as a pair or as a set together. I wish I did different colors, maybe next time. Right, so let's turn them. Oh, this on this side we see the glitter so clearly. Wow. Wow. Such a beautiful beginner friendly set. I'm going to put the chains. If you've liked this, please subscribe and press the notification bell. And to see more variations, as I told you, solid color of these, please check it out on Instagram and TikTok at Juliet May Go Inspires. Wow, wow, wow. Let me bring it for a close-up. I'll show you nicely with the key rings, and you can use this as key chains and bag charms, and I have quite a lot in the resin playlist. Check the card above. I have many different kinds of keychains, beginner friendly tutorials.